Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to put a video inside text in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, open your video clip. Now in the graphics workspace, select Type tool. Click on the program monitor and type your text. Now go to Essential Graphic and adjust your font, size and color. Now in the timeline, make sure your text layer is above your video player. Then select the video clip, go to Effect Control Panel and under the opacity change the blend mode to alpha mid. Once you do that, the video will appear inside the text. Now you can also add background color or shape under it to make it stand out even more. And that's how you can put a video inside text in Premiere Pro. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.